reread it. It's called Who Needs an Architect? This is a very small article by Martin Fowler, and it is a golden article in my opinion. You Google for it, Who Needs an Architect? It's a 3.5-page article. Very easy to read. And he talks about who needs an architect. What is an architect's role in a project? And in that, he also talks about what Ralph Johnson says about what architecture really is. And Ralph Johnson says architecture is something that is very hard to change in a system, and usually we tend to put more effort creating it because we are fearful of this change. But we need to really remove that from our shoulders as much as we can, and we'll talk about some of those moving forward here. So one of the things is, how do we really create an architecture and deal with it? So let's understand some of the ways we can move towards creating such an architecture. The very first thing is, keep it simple. Now, here's the problem. Most of us would agree, keep it simple, but most of us don't know what simple really is. Because how do we know something is really simple? We look at a solution. If I can understand that solution, hey, it's got to be simple, isn't it? Well, but the question is, are we solving the problems that we really need to solve, or are we solving problems that we really don't need to solve? So simplicity is where we understand the problem and we remove solutions that don't have to exist. I'll give you an example. I got a call from a company, and they said, we got a huge issue with concurrency. And we got problems everywhere in the code with concurrency. We got deadlocks everywhere.